Now let's work with the following word. Let's look up the word house. Here you can see that the word house can work as a noun, but if you scroll down you can also see that the word house can work as a verb. In this particular case, our focus would be the word house working as a noun. Then on the left you can see that there is a number, in this case number 1, and a definition. The fact that there is a number here indicates that there's more than one definition. Here you can see definition number 2, definition number 3. Our focus today will be definition number 1, building that is made for one family to live in. And here you can see that the word house can be pre-modified by an adjective. It can also be preceded by a verb, or the word house can be followed by a verb. The word house can also be followed by a noun, and it can also be introduced by a preposition, and it can also be used in different phrases. Let's focus now on adjectives. As you can see, these adjectives have been grouped. This means that the adjectives that belong to each group convey meanings that are related but not necessarily full synonyms. So for example, if we focus on the first group of adjectives, we can find adjectives that are typically used to describe a house positively. That is the case of beautiful, comfortable, delightful. Then, in the second group, you can find adjectives that are typically used to describe a house negatively. That is the case of depressing, gloomy, ugly. Also, there are some adjectives that you can use to describe a house in terms of its size. That is the case of little, small, tiny. There are some other adjectives that you can use to describe a house in different ways. For example, in terms of the number of rooms the house is made of, in terms of the material the house was built in terms of the type of house, and in terms of its geographical location. As you could see, a collocations dictionary is a very useful tool. It helps you understand the way that different words are combined in a natural way, and it also provides you with very good examples for you to study. I hope you can find this tutorial helpful. Thank you.